Hey Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a rubbish bin, as I would call it. You might call it a trash can, although I don't know, is a trash can something that goes outside for the garbage? That's a garbage, I don't know. In England we call it a rubbish bin, and once a week we put the rubbish out for the rubbish men to come and take away. So you may have trash men and trash bins, but the one inside the house we definitely call a rubbish bin, or a waste basket even. So what have I done here? I've drawn an oval or an ellipse, drawn another kind of bit of an ellipse inside, two bits coming down, joined together with a curve at the bottom, and then an extra kind of little sausage, I suppose, at the bottom. And we're going to want to have some trash in there, aren't we? Rubbish. So I'm going to have, say, an old water bottle or something like that, and some bits of paper. And so we have something just kind of going over the top of it as well, and another piece of paper there like that. So I'm going to draw this curve here first, and it's going to kind of come around like that, and then I think I'm going to have a bit of torn paper like that. This is going to be like a water bottle or juice bottle or something like that. I'm going to put water like that, maybe a bit of shininess, and then I'm thinking about this kind of piece of paper that's gone over the top there like that. So we're going to want a rim around the top. So I'm imagining this is like a kind of a metal office waste basket, trash bin, whatever you want to call it. The kind of thing that you get in the corner of your classroom, in the corner of your office, usually grey, isn't it? And so then it's usually metal with a kind of a little bit of a rolled edge to it like that. When you are sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And I'm going to put some kind of writing on the paper there like that. So that's a bit of a scribble really. We're going to want some kind of shade in underneath there and in there. We're going to want some shade underneath this bottle on both sides like that. I'm going to put a bit of shade down there. We're going to want quite a bit of shade underneath here because that's kind of hanging over. And then what I'm going to do is just slight kind of curves. They're sort of curvy lines, and I'm just going to put those down the edges just to give it that little bit of curvature. And then I'm going to put that there and that there, so it looks like that's kind of the wainscot in the corner of the classroom or the whatever. And then I'm going to put some shading to put it on the floor, and there you go, how to draw a wastebasket. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep going back every week for lots more drawings. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.